So going to be going over daily bias for today. This is unbelievably similar to the setup that we had yesterday. So we have a couple highs intact. I'm going to double check ES actually. ES is actually, we might have a pretty, not really high time frame SMT. But yeah, so NQ or ES, or sorry, I'll go over to NQ here. We have a lot of highs intact. We have, not only do we have London highs, we have Asia session highs, and we also have all-time highs. So we have a ton of highs. Today, we don't really have that risk of that imbalance being left below. I think that's kind of what killed us yesterday, was this 4-hour fair value gap that we had, is more or less why we dipped down. Obviously, you see the size of this imbalance here. It's going to want to come down and fill it in. That's exactly what it did. So today, we don't have it on the 4-hour at least. Hourly, we have a very small part of this imbalance left. We filled over 50% of it, so I'm not super worried about that imbalance. I don't think that's enough to come down and take it out versus all these highs that we have left intact. So hopefully we can get some sort of a something that way. We don't really have a high time frame. We have this like a little 5-minute one here, but that's kind of relevant right now. So hopefully we can see some good movement to the upside. We have a lot of room to expand, so I wouldn't be too antsy on entering, because I don't think when we come up here to take these highs out that we're going to just stop. We also have some internal highs left from Asia session yesterday, or 2 days ago actually. So we're going to see how price action sets up, but this looks really, really good so far. The only news that we have is 10 a.m. We were supposed to have NFP today. NFP got shoved back to next Friday, so next week might be a week of pure hell. As of right now, this isn't confirmed, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 red folders and a bank holiday next week. So I don't know what the fuck that is about. That's ridiculous, but 14 red folders and a bank holiday. That sounds like a lot of blown funded accounts. But today, hopefully we get good price action. I really want to see us take these highs out. We've just failed to do that day in and day out, and it is quite honestly amazing the lack of distribution to the upside to take out all-time highs. It is crazy. We haven't had it in a while. It's specifically in the AM session. So we'll see how this plays out. I think hopefully we have a good setup to all-time highs, and we can be fairly aggressive today. So this ended up being a crazy day. I forgot to record the rest of this video earlier. I ended up not taking any trades today. Was super chaotic. I mean, oh god, I did not look at this on the hourly time frame. This is an absolute nightmare. As you can see, I cannot believe we dumped this much. I don't know. I'm kind of scared to see how much this was, but we'll see. From New York Open, we dumped over 1,000 points today. Couldn't have said I expected that. Definitely did not expect that. So going into the market, I was kind of looking for longs because we were really, really close to taking out all-time highs. Wanted us to. I mean, this looked. Okay, this move was so intense. It's actually absolutely bananas how intense this move was. So what I really wanted to see us do was manipulate down, take out London lows, kind of give us, I guess, some quote-unquote more breathing room to move up here to all-time highs and take out all-time highs. As you can see, we were only 3-ish points short. Here, I'll mark this top of this. Yeah, we were 5 points short of all-time highs. So I thought we were going to come up here and take them out. You could say I was wrong by just a little bit. I was off by just a little bit. I cannot believe how much we moved down. It was because of a Trump tweet. Trump tweeted out he wants to put more tariffs on China, as if they didn't get tariffed out of their fucking mind. But what you need to understand is how big these candles were and how severe these were. This is one of the 1-minute candles. A 1-minute candle, 82 points to the upside. That is usually a news candle, is an 80-point candle. It's usually a 1 news candle. And as you can see, there's a lot of candles that are the same size as this one, this one, right? Like the average move here is like 40 points. Like that is just not normal. You can see the morning session, like this isn't necessarily slow either. Like this is like obviously not good movement, but the candle size is what I'm more concerned about, and it's normal, right? Like these normal These are normal candles. This one's 20 points, 10 points right there. 20 points. Like, yeah, you'll get your occasional bigger candle with more volume, sure, but nothing like this. This is absolutely insane. This is ridiculous. Like, I had no idea this was going to happen. I get wanting to go shorts. Cool, that's possible. I didn't like it because, again, we were so close to all-time highs. This is ridiculous. So, ending the week, ended up not taking any trades on the Express account. I took a couple losses on the Eval accounts. That's all I've been trading this week. Next week does not look good at all news-wise. We have a bank holiday Monday, and then we have red folders every single day with Powell speaking on Tuesday, CPI Wednesday, PPI Thursday, and NFP Friday. So next week's going to be hell to trade. Again, it's going to probably be another week of funded accounts, not really trading the XFA. And yeah, so today was an absolute mess to end the week. And overall on the week, not super hot. You can kind of see that throughout. Wednesday, it was pretty good for continuation. Thursday was a huge sell-off, but we didn't really get continuous legs down until almost 11. Monday was more or less barcode, so it was tough, man. It was a very, very tough week to trade. Today, that's like what I said about only trading on funded accounts or evals, because trading on the XFA, I did not like the probability. I knew the whole week was going to be a little suspect, and yeah, that's exactly what happened. So overall, reflection on the week, learned a lot. When it came to sizing trades, especially with the evals, I get you want to risk more, but there were a couple instances where I just risked way too much, and it was unfathomable. I mean, I guess you could go for a little higher RR is one thing, but just risking too much is not right. So again, terrible end of the week. I didn't lose anything, but also it's just hard to watch this.